Here are two words that are often used in English when we want to talk about putting oneself forward in a particular way. They are often used during moments of deciding or choosing a certain path, or when making a decision to do something well. The words are commit and commitment. First of all, the word commit is often used as a verb. With an object, the word commit means to do or perform something, an action undertaken, and the activity of doing that particular thing. In the past tense, we say commit, as in having been done. To do is commit. To have done is committed. For example, commit murder, commit an error, commit treason. To pledge to a position on an issue or question. To express one's intention or feeling. A person can commit themselves to a certain point of view. Whilst deciding on a choice, you have to choose whether or not to commit to a particular thing. To bind or obligate, as by pledge or assurance. To commit oneself to a promise. To be committed to a course of action. To put something into custody. To consign to custody. A convicted thief will be committed to a secure detention centre. To refer a bill or a proposition to a committee for consideration is commit. This procedure is often done in Parliament. Then we have the word commitment, which is a noun that names the act of committing or the state of being committed. The act of committing, pledging or engaging oneself. It is a commitment. A person determined to do a certain thing well whilst putting all their effort into it can be described as having commitment. They are committed. The word committed in this sense is an adjective. The state of having commitment. They commit to doing something well. That person has commitment. To be confined to a mental institution or hospital is commitment. The psychiatrist recommended commitment. A commitment can also be a ruling by a judge in a court of law for a person to be confined in prison. The active referring or entrusting to a committee for consideration of a new act or rule is commitment. A forthright dedication or allegiance can also be described as a commitment. The main differences between commit and commitment is that one acts as a verb, while the other is a noun. To do or put oneself forward to do something is commit. The thing done or something that will be done with effort and determination is commitment. You might say that learning English requires commitment. It is something you have to put lots of effort into so as to be successful at it. You commit yourself to learning English. You put yourself forward with the goal in mind. The goal itself is the commitment. It is the thing you wish to achieve.